Hi all, I'm Dr. T. Lokeshwari, Department of Computer Application PG, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi, College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about PERT technique. PERT stand for Project Evaluation and Review Techniques. It is a procedure through entire project activities are represented in an appropriate sequence and timing. It is a scheduling technique which is used to schedule, organize, and integrate tasks within our project. PERT is basically a mechanism for management planning and control. It means it's a blueprint for the particular project. All of the primary elements or event of the project have been finally identified by the PERTs. In this technique, the PERT chart is made which represent the schedule of all your tasks in the project. The reporting level of the task or event in the PERT somewhat defined in the work breakdown structure, that means WBS. In PERT chart, basically it is used to schedule, organize and coordinate the task within the project. The main objective of PERT chart is to determine the critical path which comprise the critical activities that should be completed on the schedule. The chart is prepared with the help of information that should be generated in project planning activities such as estimation of effort, selection of suitable process model for software development and decomposition of task into subtask. The characteristic of PERT. The main characteristic of PERTs are as follows. Number 1, it serves as a base for obtaining the important fact for implementing the decision making. Second, it forms the basis for all the planning activities. Third, it helps the management in deciding the best possible resource utilization method. Fourth, it takes advantage by using time network analysis technique. Fifth, the PERT presents the structure for reporting information. Sixth, it helps the management in identifying the essential element for the completion of the project within the time. Next, it specifies the activities that from the critical path. Next, it describes the probability of completion of project before the specified date. Next, it describes the dependencies of one or more tasks on each other. The last, it represents the project in graphical plan form. What does a PERT chart contain? It is similar to critical path. It contains both. It is used to visualize the timeline and work that must be done for the project. If you create 3 different time estimate for the project, the first one, the shortest possible amount of time for each task will take. Second, the most probable amount of time. Third, the longest amount of time the task might take if things do not go as planned. So these are all the things you should keep in mind when you prepare the PERT chart. So when you are going for this, totally when you are going to launch your project, what will be the task 1, what will be the task 2 and what will be the task 3, what will be your task 4. So in this diagram, if you see that the task 1 and task 2, the task 1 will go for task 3 and task 2 also it will go for task 3. So it will be integrated 1 and 2 and we will go for task 3. Once the task 3 has been done, then it will go for project complete or not. But in task 4, if there is no integration is required, then the time if you can able to do it in separately. So all this will be combined in your project complete. If the project complete on time with the scheduling all the activities properly, then it will be helpful. So this is the main cause of using this PERT chart. So in this topic, we have discussed about PERT technique. So what are all the PERT techniques will be available? What are all the characteristics are there? then how to make the PERT chart, what are all the things are there. So thank you so much. If you have any queries, let me know. Thank you.